Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back again. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is an advanced and intermediate level. Let's consider it a podcast or a daily reminder. I'm trying to make a habit of doing this every day, along with drinking of my coffee. It tastes good. Well, you might have guessed it. It's English. I keep reminding you on a daily basis that English is really important. It's such a lovely, beautiful language, delicate, romantic, better than, um, well, Arabic in some perspectives. Not to say that I'm biased to English. Arabic is my native language, but sometimes it's beautiful to say "I love you" than "أحبك." No, but that's my personal opinion regarding that word particularly. English is really beautiful language and I think you should learn it. Please, I beg you, learn English because we just need to speak English like any other human being in this globe. English importance comes from its popularity. It's so common language that probably 69 countries of the world, 180 countries, I think, speak English. So it's a goddamn good language to be learned, in addition to French and Spanish and German and other European languages. However, um, this is just a reminder before the power goes off that English is probably one of the most common languages in the world. And just spending like 15 minutes every day trying to capture a few words, starting with words that you're familiar with, like items of the car, items of the house, things that are commonly associated with verbs, adjectives, nouns. Try to be a kind of a collector in a small notebook and keep this notebook at your disposal all the time. It's such a lovely thing, to have a small leathery kind of notebook that you keep all of your information and your vocabulary, certain quotes. I used to have a notebook that I keep writing in the most common sayings, the most common proverbs, in addition to some common words that I'm not familiar. Used to read a novel, um, a very beautiful novel. Uh, Gosh, I forgot. It has something called the Scorpion in the title. I totally recommend you read it. But honestly, I forgot the title. And it has so many vocabulary. I feel, and I felt at that time that the writer just opened a dictionary from cover to cover and just pumped all the words that are common and uncommon um, in that novel. So I think it's called The Dance of the Scorpion or something like that. I'll just put it in here. Well, here. I'll put it here. So you can have an access to. I'll probably add a link to where you can download it from. But yeah, this is just a daily reminder of the importance of English, and it's look. This is my cup of coffee, and it has what I love you. I will love you if you speak English. That doesn't mean that I don't love you right now, presumably, but evidently, English is a very common worldwide language. Now it's a golden opportunity for you to learn this beautiful language. So why don't you take the advantage and just learn it? Come on. What are you waiting for? Oh, I just forgot. You're waiting for the end of this video so that you can go and open a book, a dictionary, or something else to help you learn English. Thank you so much. And inshallah, you will be better than me or in equivalent level. Not to say that you're worse, no, but you should be working on your English really hard, to help you speak better, teach the next generation English, and of course, share this beautiful language with everybody. Try to impose yourself in second person character, where this character speaks English, acts like an English, understands English culture. All of that comes from learning from here and there, collecting vocabulary and grammar and sentences and proverbs. And ouch, I hit myself. Charlie, you hit me. Yes, so that's what it is for today. Thank you so much. مدرب اللغة خالد.